Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there was an update for Microsoft Edge that happened, and it's not security or anything. So if you go into Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge, you might have seen that your browser is updating to 138.0.0.3351.77. And this has to do with a fix that I actually have encountered, and it's audio problems on some videos online due to the fact that there's an outdated JavaScript code on videos that are trying to stream with the AAC format, the audio format. So what it does is that you might have something playing, but there's no audio. And you have to restart, and often when you restart or you shut down the volume and put it back up, things come back to normal. So what they did is they modified the code and changed a little something and updated the JavaScript for the browser to make sure that it works fine every time. So if you had any audio issues in streaming videos, this could be the problem. For the rest, if you have no issues, you can ignore it anyways. It will install automatically. And I'm sure that later this week we will have some Chromium security updates that will come, as we're waiting still to see what will be this week's security updates for Google Chrome and the Chromium project and browsers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.